Morning grade 8. Let's go to the third question from set 15.6. Diagram is as shown. This is a road. Okay, this is a road which is around this garden. This is garden. So see the question, diameter of a circular garden is 42 meters. So diameter is from A to B. This is 42 meters. So if O is the center, then AO is radius which is half of diameter. And therefore I have taken AO as 21 and OB is also 21. So AB throughout becomes 42. Okay. Now next. There is a 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. Width of this road from here to here distance is 3.5. It will be same everywhere. Are you understanding me? So from B to C distance is 3.5. Find the area of the road. You have to find this area. So if I find out area of this bigger circle and from that if I minus this area of smaller circle, I am going to get area of the road. Are you understanding me? So what am I supposed to do to find area of the road? Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. Now we know that to find area we need radius. So radius of smaller circle is from O to B which is equal to 21. And radius of the bigger circle is from O to C. So that means this is up till B it is 21. OB is 21 and from B to C it is 3.5. So if I find radius of bigger circle, that is from this to this, it would be 21 plus 3.5. So not area, radius I am speaking. Now see radius of small circle is equal to OB from O to B which is equal to 21. Okay, let me check the unit. It is meters. Now area of big circle would be from O to C, OC which is equal to O to B plus B to C. So OB plus BC. So which is equal to 21 plus 3.5. So this comes out to be 24.5 meters. This you must understand. And now you can say area of road is equal to area of big circle minus area of small circle. Okay. Now what is the formula to find area of a circle? It is pi r square. But this radius is of big circle. So I am writing here RB. This minus sign over here, pi r square. But this radius is of small circle. Are you understanding me? So this is equal to 22 upon 7 into radius of big circle is 24.5 the whole square minus 22 upon 7 in bracket into radius of small is how much? 21 square. Now what we will do? We will find out this separately. And then we can subtract. Are you understanding me? So let's do it over here. First we have. So this is 22 upon 7 into this square, that is 24.5 into 24.5. So this is first. From this 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. This is second. So let us calculate this separately and then subtract them. See now, this is 7. This is 7 ones are and this is 3s are 21. 3.5, 35 means 3.5. Okay. 7 ones are and 7 3s are. Up till here is this clear? You may pause the video and take it down because I need to write it above. So what are we left with? We are left with 22 into 3.5 into 24.5. This is area of big circle. From this you subtract 22 into 3 into 21. Okay, shall I erase this part? So I am erasing the diagram and whatever is given. You please pause the video and take it down. Huh? So what are we left with? Area of road is equal to, carry out this multiplication. Okay. So if you multiply this, you are going to get 1886.50 because after two numbers point will come. Please carry out this multiplication in rough column which is marked by you at right hand side of your notebook. Okay, these calculations are very important. So if you calculate this, it comes out to be 1886.50 minus, if you calculate this, it comes out to be 1386. Now let us do this subtraction. 1886.50 minus 0.00683 and 1. Okay, so 50, 0, 0 and 5. So what are you going to get is 500.50 and area of road in square meters. Area of road is equal to 500.50 meter square, or you can write square meter. Is this clear? Okay. So please do the calculations. Do not miss this part. Okay. I want to see it in your notebooks. Alright. Shall we go to the last question now? Question number 4. Find the area of a circle if its circumference is 88 centimeters. See now, very interesting question. Circumference is given and you have to find area. See now, so first using or with the help of circumference, first you find radius. And then using that radius, you can again find the area. So that's the logic which we are going to use. See now, question number 4 I am doing from 15.6. Area of circle is question mark and circumference given is 88 centimeters. Now what is circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r, we have seen. So circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Substitute circumference of circle is given as 88, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. I want to find r, so I am keeping r over here and shifting all these numbers. So 88 as it is. This is in numerator, it will go in, this is in division, it will go in multiplication. These two are in multiplication or numerator, they will come below. So it is 2 into 22. Up till here clear? So 22 ones are, 22 fours are, 2 ones are and 2 twos are. 7 twos are 14 and therefore radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now once you got radius, now you have area of circle is equal to pi r square. So that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Are you understanding? 7 ones are and 7 twos are. So what do we have is, shall I erase this part? So we have, pause the video and take it down. So we have area, circumference. Yeah, area of circle. We are left with what? 22 into 2 into 14. 22 into 2 into 14, which is equal to 22 into 2 is 44 into 14. Let's quickly do the multiplication and see what the answer is. So we are going to multiply 14 by 44. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 and 5. Same numbers will come. So we are left with 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. And we have got 616. So area of, this is, do in your rough side. Area of circle is equal to 616 centimeter square. Area is always in centimeters square. Square units. Circumference always only centimeters or meters. Only units are written. Is this clear? And I would like to tell you one more thing again. This is same as square centimeter or centimeter. Both are same. Either you write centimeter square or square centimeter. So that's all from my side for today, students. And we have completed this topic, I guess, 15th. Please stay home and stay safe. Thank you.